Adugbe. This is a name found in the category of names known as Oriki. And what does it mean? The main words in that name are the verbs do and gbe. Do means to compete for something, to struggle with another person for something. And gbe means to carry, to lift, to hoist. Who therefore is an Adugbe? This is a child whom many shall desire and compete to carry up. Ọmọ tá ń dù láti gbé. This child is so beautiful that everyone wants to have a chance to carry the child. Everybody wants to have an opportunity of being identified with this child. Therefore, they start competing with themselves just so that they can emerge as the winner, the one who is going to end up carrying this child. Adugbe, ọmọ tá ń dù láti gbé. This is a child for whom many shall scramble and compete. Many people shall compete to pamper this child. They shall compete to show love to this child. They shall compete to treat this child with tender care. Humans shall compete amongst themselves to have a chance of carrying this child. Ọmọ tá ń dù láti gbé. Ọmọ tí tẹbí tará ń torí ẹ̀ ṣe ìfigagbága láti fi ní oore ọ̀fẹ́ àti rí fàmáyà. Adugbe, wàá ṣeré.